Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So, seeing the bank verification failed error on Etsy can prevent payouts and stop your shop from receiving money. But the issue is usually easy to correct once you know what causes it. Okay, so in this guide I will show you step by step how to fix the bank verification failed error on Etsy in 2026 quickly, safely, and correctly. Okay, so first thing first, check my bank verification failed. So common reasons um, include incorrect IBAN or account number, name mismatch between bank and Etsy, bank not supported in Etsy payment, verification deposit not confirmed, recently changed bank details. So check your Etsy email for the exact failure reason. Okay. You can also verify your bank details carefully. So go to your payment settings. Okay, so log into Etsy, open shop manager, go to finances, okay, and select payment settings. Okay, so check IBAN entered correctly, no extra spaces, correct country selected, okay, correct bank currency. Okay, so even one wrong digit causes failure. Okay, so make sure names match exactly. Okay, so Etsy requires matching ownership, so your Etsy account's name must match bank account holder name, legal business name if registered. Okay, examples that failed, for example, nickname versus legal name, different spelling, another person's bank account. Okay, so use your personal bank account unless registered as a business. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.